grab that?
Oh yeah. Ooh, look at it go through my hands.
You videotaping that?
Sure. I think you did. Good morning, everybody. We are here in Pine Brook, New Jersey, and today me and the guys are going to create a 12-foot pondless waterfall. It's going to be tucked in the corner of the customer's yard here. I'll show you guys that in a second. Not too many challenges. It's pretty flat, so we're actually going to have to bring in a ton of soil to give us the elevation to create our cascades. We're going to dig out our basin. Aquascape's new mini spillway. It's only 12 inches as opposed to the older style 20 or 21 inch one. For these smaller features, it works a little bit better. We can hide it and disguise it, but it still allows a good flow of water to come out. What we're going to have to do here is work with the existing retaining wall, but build a retaining wall against this vinyl fence. This way it's not pushing against as we fill this area in with soil. They've got some drainage that runs all along the backside of the property here. So we're just simply going to cover this with filter fabric and then bury everything with our topsoil. We're thinking maybe we'll do some sort of boulder to kind of split and make two waterfalls that come around like that and then spill into the gravel basin at the bottom. Can't wait to get rolling on this one, so you guys stay tuned. We're making good progress here, and you can see we've kind of cut into that existing stacked stone wall, and we're going to have the illusion of our spillway coming out, and we'll do some rock work up and behind it so it looks like it's just coming from maybe the other side of that fence, but it's going to look really cool. We're going to have a couple of different drops. We got 5 lights to put in this thing, so we're probably going to have 4 if not 5 pretty significant drops, a couple inches each.
So this is what our concrete cloth looks like. You can tell that it's infused with some concrete with the dust that comes off of it. And once it gets wet, it'll harden to this very good shape, and there's no roots or rodents will be able to chew through it.
Oftentimes, people ask us, how do you make the spillway disappear? What we've done here is we've figured out where the spillway or the start of our waterfall will be. We're gonna make this our initial weir stone right here. So the water comes up and you can't see where it's coming from. So really what we're trying to do is disguise this opening. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see any of the plastic, any of our biofalls. We always make them kind of disappear. So this really has a natural look. A lot of our rock work has already started here. We've got a bunch of our frame rocks and spillways or weir stones that we've placed. This is our bottom or main spillway into the basin here. So what Boulevard did is he set one rock kind of angled this way and then another one. So the water's gonna be forced to come around the backside over this stone, hit this bottom one, and then kind of spread out and make the falls even bigger. Guys, we're making excellent progress here. We've got a lot of the waterfall rocked in already. We've got gravel in. We're also putting in some plants. We're foaming up our edges. We're making sure we're going to control the flow of our water. The water is actually going to be coming from behind this rock here and coming around this way and coming around this way. So that's really going to be an interesting part of the waterfall. As it splits, it's going to kind of go real slow over this side here, but then rush down this way and then they converge in the middle and then come over this spillway. So there's going to be a lot of action, a lot of churning of water, a lot of rushing water. So it's really going to be cool. And we're doing these different style waterfalls to really create noise. And we're using all 3-watt lights, Aquascape 3-watt lights on here. This one light is going to highlight both of our spillways, that one and this one. Got another one down here to highlight that main falls over here. We've got 2 in the basin below. That's gonna highlight the final falls, which is under this bag of gravel. And then one that's just gonna highlight the pooling area at the bottom as well. We're just about ready to do the final rinse off. A little bit of mulch and stuff left on the rocks. And then we're gonna bring out the homeowners and see what they think when we reveal their brand new pondless waterfall. All right, the dog's excited. Let's see if they are too. You guys ready?
I'm ready. Hopefully you don't bark. Oh, wow.
Looks very nice.
Oh, that looks great. Oh, that looks awesome. This is great.
That
oh my
was
gosh.
part of the reason. You
Oh,
guys
it's
do
nice.
pretty good work.
You guys do great work. It's nice how it cascades down off the wall. How it kind of rolls right down to the wall.
Yeah, that's
It looks
good.
like it was natural. This is great.
Definitely be out here more. We want to build on the side a little patio so we can actually sit right next to it and
just
enjoy it
relax
up
and
close
enjoy it.
Okay.
instead of sitting on the deck and looking at it from afar and hearing it from afar.
That'd be
Right
nice.
there.
It'd be nice when it's lit up even sitting here looking at it. and
Yeah.
everything. You know, the bedrooms upstairs just overlook the whole backyard, so just, you know, looking out the window in the morning and just seeing it and hearing
That's
it
cool.
will be great.
You
Yeah,
think they'll-
having family over. Everybody's been like, "Oh, you're gonna have a water feature? Okay,
Yeah, they're all
we're coming
excited.
over. We're gonna hang out."
Yeah.
So it'll bring family and friends a little closer, see them a little more. So that's important.
We wanted it more for, you know, the pondless, more for tranquility and the sound of the running water and everything.
Yeah.
But as far as with the pond, we weren't into getting the fish and maintaining it that way and everything. Just our work schedules, you know, right now are just too crazy. So
Yeah, and I think we were more interested in the sound and the look of the whole waterfall rather than a still body of water sitting at the bottom. Sitting at the bottom. That just wasn't what we were looking for.
Okay.
So to spend the money to have a pond, and yeah, you could have a small pond, so it wouldn't have been much more.
Right.
But it's like, well, we really just want to see the water moving and hear it.
Right.
So
just sit out
why
there
are
and
we going to
relax.
do that if this is what we want?
Yeah,
Okay.
we've had this stuff for years. We just haven't gotten the pump and the tubing. But now this will be the inspiration to do that
Cool.
next to the pergola, and then have
Nice.
it kind of be on both sides of the.
We've revealed the waterfall to the customers. They are over the moon, totally exceeded their expectations. They needed something that wasn't too extravagant, wasn't too loud. So many different waterfalls. It's not just stacked stone, it's not round rocks. We've got all different types of water. From a nice sheeting action here at the bottom, we've got some roaring white water that pools up here and then comes over. We've got that waterfall just above it here that's causing splash off the other rock. This one here was an awesome transformation. We took the unused portion of their yard. They're gonna put a little bit of landscaping behind it. This is now a usable space where before it was just kind of the corner that they didn't like looking at. So they are gonna continue the transformation here by putting in a patio and a fireplace. They're interested in putting 2 Adirondack chairs. They wanna come out here at the end of the day, have a glass of wine, or in the morning have their coffee to start their day. If you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, look us up on YouTube, subscribe. We just hit a milestone. We just reached 30,000 subscribers. We want to see that number grow. We want to see more and more of you guys get interested in what we do because we love what we do. It says it on our shirt. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing projects for the rest of the year. We've got a couple lined up. Check out the ones we've done already this year, and we'll see you on the next one. Compliment to this corner, given some, yeah, it's gonna give, I don't know what it's gonna give. Let me flip this. I can't flip it once it starts recording. That's stupid.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, man. Are you?
I don't know.
Good. You messed it up.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
I know it's stay tuned, but I know. Starting from way back, you can't even see where, well, can't even see what I'm looking at.